What's popping, people? I'm here at the Lady Margaret Boat Club Freshers barbecue thing, and I'm here with some rowers and coxers, and I'm going to ask them some questions. So first up, we have Izzy.
Hello.
So I'm joined here by Tom, Liz, Rachel, Alex, and Mathieu. Is that right?
Yeah, Matthew.
Good. First question. Did you do rowing before coming to Cambridge?
No, I did not.
No, I started off in my fresher term as a complete novice, didn't know what I was doing.
No, I've never done it before. I just started here. No, I'd never rowed before coming to Cambridge. I just started up in my first year.
No, I tried it out first week I came in here.
Okay.
No, not at all. It was my first time at Lady Margaret Boat Club.
And what got you into rowing?
Well, I just thought, while I'm in Cambridge, I might as well do the most Cambridge thing there is, rowing. You never know, might find it fun.
Well, I came down on the barbecue, which is what we're doing today, and yeah, fell in love with it.
My friend did it in first year and she was really into it, and then in second year she convinced me to try it out, and I was really hesitant at first, but then I really loved it and stuck with it.
The fact that it's the most Cambridge sport, let's say, I really wanted to give it a go just to see if I'm any good, and then stay for longer.
Mainly for the free food at the Freshers Barbecue, and then I really enjoyed the sport in the fact that you are a really strong team atmosphere and it's a great team bonding experience.
I think I just enjoyed it. Mostly the thing that you have to work with 8 other people, wake up in the morning, but then it's fun.
And what's your favourite bit of the river?
I'd say grassy corner. It's very exciting. And the bumps, of course.
My favourite bit is actually Grassy Corner, which is quite a bit up, because every time we've done bumps, that's where we've bumped people. Not every
nice.
time, but that's one of the main places. So for me, it's got very good memories of that.
Yeah.
The long reach is...
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. We've had 2 grassy corners, so...
Grassy corner. So it's,
grassy corner again.
yeah. The reason being, it's where we always got them in May bumps.
Nice.
Got them by grassy.
I think it's right next to the plow. There's a big pub. That's where all the crowd gathers around bumps. It's very noisy. It's very funny.
And finally, do you think life would have meaning without the presence of death?
No, I don't think it would.
You can't be hitting me with these kind of things early in the morning.
No.
I think no. I think it gives it some extra spice.
Nice.
Would
It's
life
actually,
have
it's gone
meaning?
midday for sure.
Early morning.
Why do our noses and tongues have the ability to taste things but not our fingertips?
I don't think it's going to be very useful for our fingertips. I mean, you touch whatever, any kind of stuff. You don't want to taste all of it.
I assume because that's where the food goes into, and taste buds are a way to like distinguish if something is good for you or bad for you. So it wouldn't really make any sense to have it in your eyes.
And does every object have a flavour?
I'm not sure. I'm sure there's some flavourless things.